Still managing solar leads on spreadsheets and WhatsApp? That's exactly why deals are slipping through. Solar sales today aren't simple. Too many leads, long cycles, constant follow-ups. Here's what happens. Leads assigned late, follow-ups delayed, customer loses interest, competitor closes faster. It's not your team, it's the system. Top companies use CRMs like Sunbase to automate follow-ups. Instead of chaos, you get one dashboard, a clear pipeline, and faster proposals. Before choosing, ask, are all leads tracked? Is follow-up automated? Can your team access it on mobile? A CRM isn't an expense. It's your revenue engine. If your system is manual, you're losing deals. Would you prefer to be overwhelmed by spreadsheets or close deals while your CRM does the work? Work smarter, grow faster. Book a 15-minute demo today and experience Sunbase.